What brand comes to your mind when you hear noodles? For most of us, it's Maggi, a brand that's become synonymous with the product itself. That's not luck, it's powerful brand recall, built through years of consistent emotional connection. It takes strategic, consistent marketing, something I've practiced and refined over my 19-year journey. In fact, more than half of my business comes from word of mouth and recall value. And I owe that to how I market myself and how I design experiential brand events. When brands or corporate companies book me, they're not just looking for logistics. They want to make sure their audience walks away thinking, I felt something, I won't forget this. That's where sensory marketing comes in. Think signature scents that anchor memories, textures that invite touch, branded bites that surprise the palate, immersive visuals that tell your story. Today, events aren't about pitching. They're about purposeful experiences. Stories matter. Emotions matter. When you help your audience feel your story, not just hear it, your brand gets embedded in their memory. And that's how you win recall. I've got more to share on this, but one post won't cut it. So I'll keep showing up. Until then, remember, it's not about how many people attended your event. It's about how many still talk about your brand long after the lights go out.